welcome back. So today I'm gonna have another home decor haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. I went to several different stores and I'll have the stores and everything I found, whether it's on Amazon if I can find it in the stores or the store website links down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So some of the things are going to be Marshalls, Tjmaxx, and Homegoods because they're all related. But first, I want to show you guys the few things that I ended up getting at Target. Everyone, I swear to God, has this on their Instagram pictures, on their somewhere around their house. So why not me be one, right? I ended up getting these were for $14.99. Not only I ended up getting this, my mom ended up surprising me with a mirrored table from Target. It was $176. And I'm so in love. I have so much inspiration. I've always wanted a furniture piece that had mirrored. Okay, and then I ended up getting these few things from Marshalls. The first thing I ended up getting this golden plate with gold polka dots, as you could tell in the video. I ended up only getting one because first of all, it was only $3.99. I was planning to put plants in here and put it above my sink because above my sink, remember I got that one shelf? I'm planning to do some, you know, like something classy with white and gold possibly. I'm still not like in the kitchen area to decor. I'm mainly in the living room right now, but I don't know, I just couldn't pass it up. It's a lot of possibilities. And the next item are these granite coasters. You know, when you put your drinks, you don't want to leave a ring. Don't be that kind of person, you guys. I ended up getting these are very heavy and these were only for $5.99. I was looking for something exactly like this that's more marbleized and white to be on my table. This is legit, you guys. It's happening. It's happening. Okay, so me and my boyfriend ended up going to Homegoods, right? So when we went to Homegoods, I ended up finding this Kate Spade book, and then we thought, wait a minute, could we get a discount because it has a ring on it? And we ended up leaving it there because we're like, oh, it's damaged. I don't want to like tell them to give me a discount. So we ended up leaving it at Homegoods. The next day I ended up going to Marshalls and they ended up having two more books that had the same ring. I just like the fact that I had Kate Spade on the side so you could layer it and it'll look really legit and pretty. And this book was $16.99. I ended up finding this Capture Your Style. It's like an Instagram inspiration, like how to take your Instagram pictures and stuff. If you guys want to decorate, and what I've read a lot is look at the spine of the book, and if it's very decorative, just get it. It doesn't matter like what it is as long as it's like pretty, I guess. And this one was for $12.99. Again, it's just inspirations, like how to take pictures on Instagram. It's probably not for Instagram but for other things, but it does give you like certain ideas and collages of how to take the pictures, I guess. Then I wanted to get a initial letter here. I wanted to get it possibly just to put it on the coffee table or possibly to use it as a book stand. So much possibilities in this video. This letter was for $7.99 at Tjmaxx. Typical tray right here, all mirrored tray. Very heavy. I ended up getting it on sale for $23, but it is pretty heavy. It's very sturdy and I have so much possibilities in this video that you wouldn't even imagine. But it's a mirror tray. It's very classy. It's very shiny. I ended up getting a white coffee table, sort of IKEA inspired. It has a glass on top which makes it look more shiny than it is, and white really does bring my whole furniture in, and I just am so in love. I ended up getting this for $30, you guys, with no scratches, no dents, and nothing broken. So I ended up getting this canvas. It's a shiny canvas which is like plastic type, and I wanted this for the back of my entry door because I have a mirror right where you walk in. And I told my mom this is like much of a bedroom style. On my first haul of decor, I ended up hauling a lot of like canvases of different things, and I had like a image, but then I was like, no, the mirror table really switched my thought, and I was like, I have to get something that's not as colorful but something that's more classier. So I'm really happy that I found this, and I ended up finding that at Burlington, as well as this one right here. Oh my god, I got so excited. The books and this, awesome. Oh my god, I ended up snapping about this and I had so many good replies saying you have to get them. Is there more? What, Burlington? And I was like, dude, I got you. It's all good. I think I got the last ones though, like the last good ones. And I forgot to tell you guys that this one was $14.99 and the other one, this one was $12.99, which is so surprising. Like I would figure that these would be more expensive than the other. Alright you guys, that's everything I got. I was so excited to film this video because I'm about to put everything together and you guys could start decorating with me because I'm barely there, you guys. So you could literally step in my shoes and come and decorate with me. If you guys want to see more of these videos, go ahead and comment down below. And also if you want to shop with me, comment down below as well so I could film a vlog, if you will. And I think that's everything I have to say, you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys super soon. Bye.